Okay, so let's do a clavicle setup now, and this is kind of my own little creation. It's not necessarily the best way to do it. It's something that I've been using that's kind of working so far, and I'm just gonna make a little thing like that. And actually, let's undo that. Let's see if we can't go ahead and just oh, I don't want that one. I want this one. So I'm gonna just click right off of that and just have that nub right up there. And then let's go ahead and go to animation, select the bone, select the bone, animation, IK solver, HI solver, and we're going to have that in there. So I've done something with my, anyway, so you have your, you should have some sort of a positioning tool there for that now. So I'm going to call this L clavicle IK. Okay, I'm going to call this one L clavicle, clavicle bone, and this one's going to be called L no skin, clav bone. This is a nub actually. And then what's this one called? Did I give it a name even? No. L shoulder bone. L elbow bone. And let's see, did I call that anything? L wrist, no skin wrist, bone nub is okay, it's fine. And I did give that one a name. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to maybe let's link this one to the I think let's link this to the IK. Let's try that. So now if you move that around, that should be following. Now there's a little bit of a pop there, but for right now that should work. Hope so. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this controller again. Let's just duplicate it up here somewhere, and I'm going to call this L clav control. Let's make it green. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the align tool and pop it right there. Bang. Okay, and then let's undo that, and then let's go to try it again. Yeah, it's on there. Okay, sorry. And then maybe let's rotate this like 90. And in Z, maybe 90 as well. So I want just kind of like this control curve, and then I'm gonna link that IK to the clavicle, and now I should have a little bit of a control there. It's a little bit sloppy, to be honest with you, and remember, okay, so let's just go into our you can see how it's moving really rough right now. If you just look at it, it's popping all over the place. So let's go ahead and select the IK, and we're going to go to this under the motion tab, under thresholds, position, and rotation. Let's zero those out, and the same for the arm IK. Zero both of those out. Now hopefully we'll be getting a little bit more smooth movement there out of that. And then I want to parent or link this to this guy. And boom. So now it follows. There was some issue with this IK not following that for some reason. It's a little bit baffling. Obviously you don't want that, so if it's popping like that, you don't want that. Yeah, okay, so this is incorrect. Hopefully in your case when you do this setup you won't have that. If you do have that popping, you don't want that. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that because I probably would just start over and do it again. We don't have that same issue here on these, so that's wrong. But you get the idea. That's just how that kind of clavicle works.